Assemble a cutting handle of the required length from a handle rail Nova and end caps. For this, we need a handle rail Nova of the right size, a set of end caps, and 4 screws 3x12. Drill 6 3.5 diameter holes in the handle rail Nova. Fix the end caps with 3x12 screws. Prepare a groove in the door panel for the handle. Width is 27 mm, height is less than the handle length by 4 mm. To fix the handle to the door panel, we use a connecting plate and M3 by 16 mm screws. The plate is fixed to the panel with the appropriate self-tapping screws.